Hey guys, this is Gianmarco from the Effort Day Trading team, and I'm here to show you how to make an expert advisor using the template option. So first, you gotta log on to MetaEditor, and once you're there, you click on this button right here that says New. Once that you do that, it's gonna prompt the wizard, and it's gonna give you some options. The first option is gonna be an expert advisor template. That's the one we want. Now you can hit Next and give it a name. So we're gonna give it template test. Simple enough. Now, right here, you can put some parameters you want. This really it's up to you based on what expert advisor and all your parameters that you'll be using in your expert advisor. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it blank because that's up to you. So I'm hitting next. Now there's gonna be it's gonna give you some options on some event handlers you can choose from. Now you can do from on trade transaction, on timer, on chart event, and on book event. Each one has different uses and benefits depending on what you want to happen on your expert advisor. But the most common ones are on trade and on trade transaction. That's why they're default. On trade is called when a trade event occurs, and on trade transaction is called when a trade transaction event occurs. So that's simple enough. We're going to leave it here on the default and click next. So now you're going to have some test event handlers. We're going to leave it on the default on tester. So it's going to be called when a tester event occurs. But like the other event handlers, there's more. You can have on tester init, on tester pass, and on tester dinit. And again, this is up to you on how you want to test and optimize your algorithm. So I'm just going to click finish. And there you go. You have your whole template there, and you can mess around with it and put your code in and make it happen. But yeah, that's it. Simple enough.